Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you some game-changing hacks for saving space in your drawer and suitcase, folding your kids' innerwear in a square shape. First, grab a pair of innerwear and by folding their innerwear in this square shape, you will be amazed at how much more organized and efficient your kids' drawer will be. Plus, it's a fun and satisfying way to keep everything in order. Next, grab a pair of underwear and lay it flat on a surface, then folding the side in toward the center and create a long rectangle shape. Next, fold the bottom up about the third of the way and then fold the top down to meet it, creating a square shape, and repeat this process for all your kids' underwear and socks wear, stacking them neatly in row in their drawer and suitcase. Not only does it this method save space, but it also make it easy for your kids to see all of their option at a glance. And give it a try, let me know how it goes. Trust me, once you start folding your kids in a way like this, you will wonder why you didn't do this sooner. So guys, imagine never having to worry about your child underwear getting all tangled up in their drawer again. With this amazing folding underwear, you can keep everything neatly and organized with easy. Not only does it space in your child drawer, but it also make it super easy for them to pick out their underwear in the morning. No more rummaging through a messy drawer to find the right pair. And let's not forget about convenient it is for traveling. You can easily pack this folding innerwear in your child suitcase without taking up too much space. So if you want to make your life a little bit easier and keep your child's underwear drawer looking neat and tidy, then I highly recommend giving folding innerwear a try. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest tips and tricks for parenting. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.